Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to take two of our 10-meter strips of RGB UL rated strip light and connect them together so that you can run 65 feet, and you're going to power it from both ends. And by that I mean you're going to connect the strip lights together and make a joint, and you're going to have both ends come to the same location. Now in a regular case, you would take a 10-meter strip and go down, and you would have your own power supply and another controller or repeater or whatever is needed for the application, and continue the information and the power for the rest of the strip light. In this case, in an application that has really long runs, such as two 10-meter strips, which is about 65 feet, you can power it from both ends. So if you had a square or square room that you were doing coves in, or if you even needed to run one long straight 65-foot run, you can power it from one location so you can get rid of your joints in the middle. So what we have here is we have two 10-meter strips of the UL rated RGB strip light, and we have total wattage on this is 288 watts. We have a 320 watt LED transformer, as well as our touch panel controller and a DMX decoder. So I'm going to turn it on, and as you can see, what we've done is we've made joints at the very end of the strip light. We've tied them together, and we've came out with both ends out of the same decoder, and we're able to control what the strip light does from one location rather than having to add two power supplies, two decoders, and then wire the decoders together. So we've eliminated some of the accessories or products needed to do two 10-meter strips rather than just using it one in one full run. Now this only comes in 10-meter lengths as the furthest. It doesn't come in 20 meters, so we would just make joints at the end, and you would hide those in your applications, put the end caps together so that you can't tell that they're there. And when you run it, you come out of the controller, you go all the way down, and you come back with the other end into the controller. And as far as voltage is concerned, you're sending 24 volts this way, you're sending 24 volts this way, and there's nothing wrong with doing that. It doesn't make 48 volts down there at your joints. It doesn't mess up the strip light. It's basically you're doing the same thing as just sending 24 volts down each side, and it's lighting the strip light. You can control it with any of the products that you're using. And that's it. Thank you.